I'm Oliver Ox, and I'm going back to the barn to eat my supper. That hay'll sure taste good tonight. Oh, there's Peter Pump. Good evening, Peter Pump.
Good evening, Oliver Ox. Do you know there's a big black dog in your manger?
A big black dog?
Yes, and he's eating your hay.
Eating my hay? I never heard of a dog eating hay.
Well, this one is, and you'd better hurry and do something about it.
Yes, I guess you're right. I'd better hurry and do something about it.
Hello, Oliver Ox.
Hello there, Peppy Pitchfork.
You know what? There's a big black dog in your manger.
I know. That's why I'm hurrying.
You better hurry because he's eating your hay.
Barn doors, open up. I'm gonna hurry.
Okay, Oliver Ox. Say, did you hear? There's a big black dog in your manger.
I know. Open up. Hey, dog, what are you doing in my manger?
I'm eating your hay, you big ox.
But dogs don't eat hay.
Look, ox, everybody else around here likes hay, so I'm trying it.
But you're choking on it.
That's because I don't like it.
Well, stop eating it then. Get out of my manger so I can eat it. I like it.
No. If I don't enjoy it, I don't want you to enjoy it either.
Get out of my manger, dog, or I'll have to pick you up by the tail, swing you around, and toss you in the air.
I'd like to see you try it.
Are you going to get out?
No.
All right, then.
You weren't kidding, were you, ox?
I'm sure sorry I had to do that, dog. But it's not right to keep someone from enjoying something just because you can't enjoy it yourself.
I guess I was pretty silly. From now on, I won't be so silly anymore.
If there's a thing you don't enjoy, then you should never spoil it for the ones who do.